What's up, guys? Alec here. Hope you're all having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today, I just want to speak about the power of Amazon and how you guys can make money online using Amazon FBA and the massive opportunity that it is today, and how you guys can leverage one of the world's biggest sales channels in the world right now, and how you can grow and really create a sustainable online business for yourself so that you don't have to trade your time for a 9-to-5 job and really explore and travel the world and live on your own terms, all while making income every single day like clockwork, because you're building out a product line. And there are so many options, guys. I just want to touch on this. There are so many options today: cryptocurrency, Shopify, affiliate marketing, all these different things you're probably seeing because you're interested in making money online. And so many people are speaking about this. One day you're seeing an ad on Facebook about Shopify. The next day it's about affiliate marketing, how you can make thousands with this, thousands with that. And while these things may be possible, you guys really have to pick one thing and go with it. And the reason why I think something like cryptocurrency or like that is just like a roulette game is because things like the stock market and things like cryptocurrencies and any of these new Bitcoin things that come out, they're really just shot in the dark. One day you might hear someone's making thousands, $20,000, $30,000, but the next day, whatever, the coin loses value and there goes everything. So those are not really sustainable ways to make money online and to create that passive income that everybody wants, to be able to live their best life and live in freedom, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to travel and live on your own terms. So those are not really good options. So why am I so excited about Amazon FBA? Is because Amazon is one of the world's biggest sales channels in the world. And only 10 years ago, I would say when I started about 6 years ago, it was just ramping up. But if we go back about 10 years, Amazon was really just an online bookstore that sold strictly books. Nobody knew about Amazon. It was kind of those things where someone would just go on to buy a textbook here and there or a book to read, and that's about it. So over a decade, over 10 years, what Amazon has evolved into is a store that sells everything from A to Z and really provides the customer with an experience unlike anything ever before. If you know about Amazon, you know that they have Prime and 2-day shipping, and everything gets to your door within 2 days, or you're going to get your money back. So the world is changing, the world is evolving. Customers and consumers are really expecting much more from sellers and from their purchasing experiences. And Amazon is actually able to fill that gap because they are just so big, and their fulfillment services and their world-class fulfillment centers are actually able to keep up with this demand. If you guys understand how big Amazon is right now, and to know that it's only in its infancy stage, it's actually mind-blowing. Amazon and e-commerce in general is taking up 50% of all purchases in the world right now. So it's only at 50%, and Amazon just reached $1 trillion in their worth as the company net worth. And $1 trillion, that is insane. That's not a B, that's a T for trillion. So that is absolutely insane. Amazon is not going anywhere. It's not slowing down anytime soon. They're not going to collapse tomorrow. They are here to stay, and they're really taking everything over. So how does this really apply to you guys, and how has this applied to me? Why am I even here right now talking about this on this channel? Why did I even create this channel? Is because I was lucky enough to identify this about 6 years ago when I was about 13, 14 years old, and I'm 23 years old now, and I recognized that e-commerce is just getting started. And I realized there's so much going on. And when I started back in the day on eBay and I was flipping stuff, I realized that this is an extreme opportunity that needs to be harnessed and leveraged. With the power of e-commerce, it's only going to continually grow, and there are going to be more buyers and more people turning to their phones and their computers, and they want an easy shopping experience with one-click checkout and all the fancy stuff that Amazon is doing right now. And within a day, 2 days, you get your package. That's crazy. In one day, people can get their package. So, I mean, it's just unlike anything before. So with the power of Amazon and being able to create a brand, build a brand, and sell physical products on Amazon. I was able to do it. So 6 years ago when I started, I was in the same position that you guys are in right now. I really didn't know. I was a little skeptical as well, and just like you probably are as well. You really don't know when you're going into something. I knew from right from the get-go that I wanted to be an entrepreneur, that I was really into business, and that was my calling. And I know that e-commerce really was something that I was passionate about. It's all I do and it's all that I think about. I absolutely love e-commerce and I love selling on Amazon. It's probably one of the most exhilarating feelings to be able to offer your products to the entire world. Guys, if you just think about just a little bit over 10, 12 years ago, do you realize if you wanted to create a business, what you actually had to do to start that? You had to have a brick and mortar store, which probably the rents were $5,000, $6,000 a month. The amount of overhead, the inventory you had to fill that store up with, and not knowing whether things are going to sell or not. If you were lucky enough to be in a high traffic location, you were only available to a certain amount of traffic, and that was it. So however much you made per year, that was the cap, and that was it. So to really think only a few short years later what has evolved and what has came about this, to really just be able to create a brand and sell physical products, but selling these products are not just limited to a certain amount of people walking down a city street. This is actually the highway to the world, guys. You have to understand, sometimes we take this for granted, actually, and we really don't think of how massive the opportunity is. When I think back a few years ago when I started, I really understood what the possibilities were when I got a taste of how much traffic was on the internet, guys. And Amazon has the most traffic because people are actually on there every single day searching for the products you are selling. So to be able to put your products in front of these people and get sales every single day consistently, month after month, year after year, is just absolutely incredible. And to take this one step further, when I started, I had to pack boxes and ship out each item in my garage and do that all manually by hand and really trade my time for money. But that was okay because I wouldn't have been here if it wasn't for that. But to have something called Amazon FBA, if you're not familiar with that, it's called Fulfilled by Amazon. And what that is Amazon takes care of everything. So you just pay them a small fee and you ship all your inventory into them. And when you get an order, they'll take everything, they'll pull it from the shelves, pack it, and ship it 24/7, 365 days a year. They are fulfilling orders for you like your employees. And all you have to do is ship your stuff into them, and you don't have to touch anything. You don't have to do any of the dirty work. So what opportunity is this for you, and why am I so excited about this? And really, guys, truly, immensely, it's an extremely insane opportunity. You really can't wrap your head around this because, we sometimes take this for granted, but FBA has been around for just a few short years. And to be able to build a product line of 7, 8, 9, 10 products, even 20 products that can make you a few $1,000s per month each, can get you guys to 30, 40, 50, 60, maybe even $100,000 per month, and really completely free your time and get you guys on the track to freedom if you guys really put in the time, the work, and the effort to get yourselves there. Just like anything in life, guys, it's going to be a learning curve. This is not a quick make money scheme. It's not a get rich quick scheme, and that's what I love about it too, is because you're building a real physical thing that has physical products that are going out to real people. And if you guys watch some videos on my channel, you're going to realize that I always say build a brand and don't just sell random products like the fidget spinner. So you're going to realize that if you're selling kitchen products, your products are going out to maybe mothers who really love cooking in their kitchen and are excited to cook for their children and their husband every day. And you guys are actually creating and crafting offers and products that really solve the needs of these mothers and that your target demographic, whatever you're selling. So you guys are really making an impact on the world, let alone really creating financial freedom for yourself. So it is just truly an unbelievable thing. So when those orders come in, within a few hours, they're out the door at Amazon, and you don't have to touch anything. So that really opens up your horizon and your scope to be able to not be trapped in one spot. if you have a laptop and an internet connection, that is all you guys need for this. And you could travel the world if you wanted and work from a cafe, work from an Airbnb, and be able to have control over your time and your freedom without having to trade one for the other. That's truly when freedom is reached, is when you don't have to trade your time for your money. Because guys, we only have a certain amount of time here on Earth, and we only have a certain amount of time per day. Everyone's got the same, 10, 12-hour workday, and that's crazy if you're working 10, 12 hours. So most people work, an 8-hour day. And there's only so much work you could put into that 8-hour day. The typical old school way of thinking about this is you're basically paid an hourly wage in relation to how much value you provide. So if you're a CEO in a company, you're going to be paid more than a bottom line entry employee. And so, but even that top line employee maybe makes $150,000 a year, and that's it. And he's not moving from there. So he only could work that X amount of hours per year and per day, and that's it. So with the power of Amazon and online businesses, you guys can really relinquish your time and just create a monster machine that is producing you money every single day, 365 days a year. And I'm going to say it, and don't sound skeptical about this, but yes, you even can make money while you sleep with this. I wake up in the morning and I look at my sales, and sometimes I made $1,000 before I even woke up. And that is absolutely insane, and there is nothing like that in the absolute entire world where you could do that and not have to trade your time for your money. Guys, so really the main purpose of this video was to really shed some light on the opportunity that you guys have, and I really want to open your eyes up, because there's just so much on the internet today, and I know it's really an annoying thing because you're being blasted by thousands of people trying to tell you so many things, like I said in the beginning, about Shopify, cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and while all those things might be alright, you guys really have to just pick one thing and go with it, and really understand the opportunity that Amazon FBA is. It's only 50% of e-commerce sales. Amazon just hit $1 trillion. They are growing. The amount of Prime members each year is just exponential, guys. You really have to understand this. And if you guys pass up this opportunity, you're going to regret this for a lifetime. To be able to build a business off the back of one of the world's biggest online e-commerce sites in the world is just truly one of the biggest privileges in the world. And nobody has ever had this type of opportunity. And I absolutely love doing this. And the whole reason why I'm explaining this to you guys is to open your eyes up, and tell you guys about this opportunity and share it with you, because once I realized what is possible, I really had this agreement that if I ever was able to make an income online and be able to free my time for money, that I wanted to share it with the world. And that's what I'm doing, and helping you guys get there. And if what I really can say is I wasted a lot of time in the beginning 5-6 years ago, and I really spent a ton of time trying to figure everything out by myself, because 6-7 years ago when I started this, there was no such thing as mentors. There was no such thing as coaches. That wasn't all possible because this was all so new, and I kind of had to be the pioneer and really trek through the forest and figure this out by myself. But really the most amazing thing about today, a few years later, is because people have done this, and people like me are sharing my experiences, and you can actually learn with a course, something like the Amazon Entrepreneurs course, which will be linked in the description, on how to do all this step-by-step, A to Z, minimizing as many risks as possible, like I did, because I did lose a lot of money up front because I had to figure things out myself. So I just wanted to make this video for you guys today, open your eyes up and share my experience, and really shed some light on the amazing opportunity you guys have today, and show you guys and explain to you guys how you could make money online, make a passive income, make a full-time income, and really crush it and build a life of your dreams. So if you guys enjoyed this video, it would mean the world to me if you subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and left a comment below. I read everything, and I really engage with everybody. I want to hear from you. This channel is really an open engagement source. I want to create a community that really loves doing what I do and rallies behind entrepreneurs and e-commerce businesses. So please leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Look out for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.